This morning in Money Watch, we are waiting for a big decision in the next few hours that's for sure to affect your cost of living. The Federal Reserve will announce whether it will cut interest rates again. Money Watch correspondent Kelly O'Grady is at the New York Stock Exchange to show us what to expect. Kelly, good morning.
Good morning, Nate. Well, the Federal Reserve is expected to cut interest rates by 1/4 point this morning. Now, it would be the second cut this year and bring the benchmark rate down to the lowest level since 2022. Now, this decision comes in the middle of a government shutdown, which has delayed key economic reports that the Fed normally depends on. Policymakers are instead relying more on private sector data and market signals. With little fresh data, there's no real reason for the Fed to shift course here. Chair Jerome Powell says a weak labor market is a bigger concern than tariffs. That's likely backed up by September's inflation report we just got. It showed prices rose slower than expected. Now, a small cut, it could nudge down borrowing costs on things like credit cards, auto loans, adjustable rate mortgages. It won't offer major relief for most, though. So we're going to be listening for hints on whether more cuts are coming. And, of course, we're going to be watching the markets right here. They usually react when cuts are announced, Tony.
All right, Kelly, thank you very much.